I'm so excited to be sharing this with you. I hope you love it. Hey everyone, I'm going to skip the intro and just get right to it. I'm so excited to show you behind the scenes of Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp. I'll explain exactly what is included in this course and in this coaching program when we go behind the scenes. So let me show you my screen. So welcome to behind the scenes of Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp. So you can access this course and coaching program by going to my website and purchasing it and signing up for it. And we're going to cover so much information in this course and coaching program. So this is what it looks like when you first log in. It's a little introduction. And then on the left-hand side is all of the information that we're going to talk about in Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp. So we're going to have a buyer persona lesson. We have lessons about Google My Business, an introduction to the listings, how to claim a listing, features, things not to do, and why you need a war file. We're going to talk about search engine optimization, how I identify keywords and key phrases, what are headers, title tags, alt tags, meta description. We talk about building pages and all of the substance that you need on the page in order for Google to find you, links and citations, Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and Google Search Console, how to connect all these together for your future. And of course, a digital marketing course would not be complete without a social media marketing lesson or chapter. So we talk about content strategy, a complete hashtag strategy along with a guide, one-liners and bios and links, organic, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn tips. And we also talk about YouTube as well. And then of course, there's a thank you page with a checklist too. But the main thing that I wanted to talk about with this course, what makes this course so different, is that it's actually a course and a coaching program in one. So you're going to get all of this information that I put together for you. And these are strategies that I have used in the real world for the last 10 years. So a little brief background, I used to work at an agency for many, many years. I worked in a lot of vertical markets, but always actually like 90% of the work I did was on the local business level. I did work with the national accounts here and there, but it was mostly on the local level, helping local businesses and franchises and things like that dominate Google. And I've had a ton of like one-on-one experience with like other brands as well. And I decided to put together my first digital product, which happens to be this e-learning course and coaching program. And I say coaching program because in addition to all this curriculum that you see here, you will also get two 45-minute personalized sessions with me. So I really encourage all of the students to redeem these after you've taken the course and you've consumed all the material. So that way we can talk about how to apply a buyer persona directly to your business. If you have issues with your Google My Business listing, how we can fix that. But also to talk about strategy too, because when it comes to search engine optimization, a lot of times it really boils down to strategy and content. This course and coaching program is really perfect for anybody who works on local businesses. So let's say you're a freelancer and you help local businesses, but you just want a little bit more knowledge. This course and coaching program would be perfect for you. And it would also be perfect for you if you are a local or a small business, especially if you have a handful of locations. All of this information would be perfect for you. So this course and coaching program really covers a lot of information. Like I said, it's all of the things that I've learned over the years and I've just applied them to this course. And I really put this together because it became super apparent to me during this like wretched virus that business owners were more than ever ready and eager to learn about digital marketing, but really wanted an ally and somebody to help them guide them through the trenches. And that's what I'm here to do. So if you are a local or small business owner that wants to learn more about digital marketing, this course would be perfect for you. And again, it comes with two 45-minute strategy sessions with me. It comes with access to a private Facebook group. You get a ton of tutorial and training videos built in the course. Google My Business optimization keyword training, on-site training videos for both Squarespace and WordPress Builder, specifically using Elementor, written explanation in addition to training videos about complex topics, and lifetime course updates. And I want to highlight this real quick because whenever there's a Google update or something crazy happens within the industry on the local level, if you're part of my community, you're going to know about it immediately and you're going to know how to fix it. And, there's just so much information here to really help local businesses. And of course, there are a ton of glowing reviews. So I hope that you will take a second to peek around Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp and take a look at the landing pages, and I hope that you like them. Maybe they'll inspire you to take the course. And if you have any questions at all, please reach out to me. I'd love to help you. And right about now, there's probably more items popping up on the screen. So I hope that they help you, and I hope to help you in your business as well. So if you have any questions about Local Business Digital Marketing Bootcamp, I would be honored to answer them for you. I'll see you in the next video.